Hey guys, welcome back to Cool Tool Tuesday. We'll be talking about the quick lever clamps from Torquata. These guys just slide around your workpiece and you just, with one hand, click this in. This will ratchet down and lock it into position, giving it a really tight, firm hold. These are really quick and easy to use. You can often use them with one hand depending on what you're clamping. They provide a really great clamp strength. You get up to 200 kilos strength, just one good crank of that. And they're just really handy to have around the workshop. They're made of a solid aluminium cast with steel parts on the inside where it actually clamps and binds on. The bar at the back does not bend. Doesn't matter how much pressure you try and put into these. The back of the bar just stays very rigid. The convenient thing about these and what makes them stand out from other clamps is the fact that you can use them quite conveniently with one hand. A lot of other clamps, you'll hold your workpiece on and get that on, you've got to hold that in place and twist it, which is fine, but if you need to quickly just lock something in, clank that down, and you're good to go, and then you can copy route or handsaw what you were doing, whatever the job is, these are pretty convenient. I often find myself using them to clamp to my workbench to hold a workpiece stable while I'm working on that. They've got non-marring pads on them, so it's not going to damage your workpiece. And they are available in two sizes. We've got the 150s and we have the 300s. I generally use the 150s just around the workbench, really good for clamping stuff on. So if you are working on a bigger workpiece or your workbench is a nice solid bench with a nice thick top, go for the 300s because they will give you more versatility. The quick lever clamps are available either individually or in packs of 4, which bring down their price considerably. So definitely worth checking out next time you're looking for a clamp for your workshop. If you want to find out some more info on these clamps, check out the video we did with Phoebe. Just click the link up here and that should take you to the right spot. Or click the link below and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next week.
Thank God somebody invented a quick lever.